Okay, tawanan lang, kulitan lang, tingin lang kay Bride. Go! Okay, guys, sige, tawanan lang, tingin kay Bride. Go lang, tawanan lang.
Ilaglag sa charity.
One go! Up one go! Ang saya! One go! Alright, good job guys! Alright, go! Okay, ikot. Yun o, pang Miss Universe yun. Alright. Tuloy lang. Alright. Alright, it's time. Rampa. Ikot, ikot. Alright, good job. Next. Ikot. Alright, nice. Go. You know. Ikot. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go. Ikot. Nice, oh. Alright. Okay, one more. You know. You know. Alright, next. Go. Okay, ikot. You know. Pak. Go. You know. Umikot, umikot. You know. Damn. Ikot. You know. Pak. Alright. Go. Alright. You know. You know. Alright, Bride, look here. Alright, good. And go! Okay, one more, isa pa. Go! Alright, good job. Next, go! Alright, good job. Sige, go! Okay, good job. Go! Alright, good job.
Parang naiikot namin eh. Kasi kung may control yung kilos namin,
Georges, ano? Georges.
Okay, next tayo, next tayo. One, go look here, guys. Alright, good job. 2, 1, go look here, guys. Isa pa, 1, 2, 1, go look here. Good. Sige po.
Ate Sam, Ate Mars, Atang, Babe, Bebe El, Mamshi. Wait lang guys, gasuri yung ano, yung lagayan namin. Ganun taga pag nasa laylayan ng kahirapan. Be? Baby. Open. Dapat yung papagalawin nyo, ah. Pag binuksan nyo yan, dapat pagalawin nyo, ah.
Uy, galing ka!
Pagalawin nyo, ah.
Wait lang, na-excite ako! Wait lang, hindi ko malaksan! Parang kailangan tila ba?
Pagalawin nyo. Very
Oh my God!
very useful.
Ano to? Ito, oo.
Oh. Kagatin nyo, ganun.
Ano to, Bing? Ano to?
Kagatin niya, ganun. Kagatin mo, kagatin mo.
Ano ba to? Bakit ayaw?
Wala ba ata siyang battery?
Thank you! Massage! Maganda na.
Pagalawin, kagatin, ganun. Kagatin nyo.
Okay, plastic.
Kaya plastic tayo, yung totoo.
Alright. Smile, tingin sa kanila, lakad.
Happy!
Okay, one more. Go, lakad. Alright, goods.
Nakabahan ako. Thank you. Antayin nyo. Wait lang.
Ano yan?
Explain mo naman bakit what? Let's go na.
Wow, nakaka-touch!
Wow, thank you. Very demure.
Very humble ng box, ha?
Wow.
Oh, diba?
Thank you. Paano ko suot? Thank you. Very demure, very classy. For the use na sa
Pwede na.
balay. Pwede na isabit, mga ganun. No? I love you.
Ay mo, time is gold, kaya minadali.
Time is gold, kaya minadali namin to. Pangit kuya.